How's it going, guys? So today I have a helping hand solid brass padlock. Not a company I really have any experience with. One of my parents just picked this up for me kind of randomly while they were out shopping, just to see if I could get it open. It's another tiny lock, about 1.25 inches. Comes with a few keys, 4 pins, all standard. So let's see if we can get it open. Pretty wide open keyway here, despite the small size of the lock. So good for bottom of the keyway tension. And we'll be using pretty heavy tension since this is all standard. So let's see what we can do. So backing out, 4 already feel solid. Click. 2, I believe. Come on. Click off 2. Now we're on 1. Actually, maybe I didn't get 2. There we go. Now we got 2. 3. Let's try 1 out. Nope. 4 now. Might have overset something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, gotta click out 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's taking longer than the mini master lock. Might have overset something by accident. Let's try releasing tension. 3 feels solid again. Gotta click at it. And there we go. We got it open. I have a feeling I was using a little bit too heavy of tension, perhaps. Might have overset 3 there. Had to let it go. Push it up again. But there you go, guys. It lasted a little bit longer than the mini master lock, but still got it open in probably about a minute, maybe 2. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you like it, drop a comment, and if you please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks.